goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now.
Westside.
Here goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you.
Ayan, andyan na kayo.
Fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see. You are the reason.
Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we are in Sheintan Ridgeview, which is in Apolong, Valencia, Negros Oriental. The best part of this place is that it is very fresh and it is really on the top of the mountain, and the plus you can see the view, the Dumaguete from here. The gardener just keep cleaning that area. Sheintan Ridgeview is a very beautiful place, and it is found on top of the mountain, as you can see in the video. And it is a perfect place for a date. Very romantic. And of course, we also did our photo shoot there.
And swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken.
So relaxing, and I think it's a perfect place also to mesmerize the things that's happened to your life.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders.
When I first saw this place, I was just like, oh, I'm in love with this place.
Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love.
And also, this place is a place to stay if you want to stay like a night or whenever you want.
I feel the love, I feel the love, I feel the love.
If you are a nature lover, this is perfect for you.